there is no one in this life that has a monopoly of ideas, right? So as graphic designers, what we do is we'll go to other websites, right, and then pick an idea. We're just going to get an idea and then work our own designs or creations, whatever it is, right, and pattern it with the one that we have already have seen, or we actually have at hand, right? That's what we do. So when you have a client and a client give you a work to do, what you do is to go and look for something that can give an inspiration. Now it's very good that you can actually it's very possible rather that you can actually have an idea coming from from the heavens, from the above. No, I don't know if you're a Muslim, a Christian, you're a Juju worshiper, I don't know, right? You can get inspiration from any source. All right, God has a way of giving us inspiration and ideas. Very powerful and very fantastic, right? But there is no way anybody could come and tell you and say, oh, this thing nobody has ever done it before. Nobody can say that. And that is simple truth. So what we do is what? We go to other platforms and then look for an idea. So I have come to a platform called Pinterest. And in Pinterest, I'll be able to find this particular design. All right, so I want to pattern my design like this very one. All right, I want to pattern my design like this. So what I'm going to do is to download it. What you do is you click here to download. All right, click here to download. All right, and then you download it. It will go straight to your gallery, and then you pick it up from there. Then you will start working with it. You pattern your work like this. I mean, in line with this, something of this nature, right? So what I want to do is to wait back, and then let's start working on this particular design, right? It's not exactly like this, but we want to design it in along this kind of pattern. Are we ready? Let's go and get it done. Follow me as we go. All right, so I have downloaded it, and right there is in my gallery, or your photo as it is, right? Your photo gallery, and there it is. So what I would do is to come over here and then I want to get the dimension that I want to use. Now your clients can give a dimension, a particular dimension they want to use, okay? Maybe 50 by 100, whatever they, in terms of pictures and all of that, right? Which is fine. But if in case they do not give you particular direction or dimension as it is, I want to design for them. Come to your gallery and then push it up like this. When you do this, you're going to see the dimension here, right? This, okay? This is 730 by 1024 pictures, right? It's in pictures. 730 by 1024 pictures. If you don't see it here, you can click on these three dots here, all right? And then you go to about. Okay, look at about, and if you click on about, you're going to see it down here, the same thing, right? Either I push it up, you go to about. Okay, what I don't know the kind of phone you're using, but that's what I used to do to get my dimension. So this is 730 by 1024. So we're going to go to our beloved Canva and then start designing this particular design, right? So let's go to Canva and get it done. First of all right, so I'm in Canva, right? So come to create and then click on custom size. All right, and then here you put in your value, right, in pictures. Remember, this should be in pictures, right, not in millimeter, but in pictures. So I'll take in 730 1024. Oh, that is it. So click on create new design and then wait for the canvas. So here comes our canvas, right? These are canvas. Now you don't need to use the colors that you got from that particular picture or design. You have to use the color of the brand of your clients. Take notes. Use the color of the brand of your clients. Do not use the color that you see in that design, but use the color that you have. You're going to see that your client is going to give to you as their brand. All right, if it is blue, use blue. If it is green, use green. If it is red, use red. Okay, as the case may be. But I think for me, in this case, I want to use red. Is that clear? I want to use red and white. Red and white. These are going to be two major colors I want to use. Is that clear? So let's go and do that. Use something else. I'll go back to my shapes. Let's come back here and then let's use this something like this. Open up here. Let's use something like this. This is better. All right, something like this. Okay, turn it to red. All right, so I'm going to do this. In creativity, okay, don't rush. All right, you take your time. You are not, make sure your work is well aligned and all of that, right? You keep on nudging up, put things in order. Even after the final work is done, you keep on doing some cross check here and there before you push it to your client. Exactly. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to element and let's go look for a frame. Go to frame section and then let's pick a particular frame like this one. Let's pick this round frame. frame as it is. You keep it somewhere here. So let's go back to element again. So your element is actually your engine room, okay? And when you're designing from graphics, okay, from Canva, we're going to come over here and then look for something like this one. All right, let's look for something like this, okay? Yeah, then we'll bring it somewhere this way. All right, open up a little bit, something like. All right, so the next I'm going to do is to go to ChatGPT and then get why choose us. Okay, so I'm going to have yes, for instance, first of all, go to my text, add a subheading, and I'm going to say why choose us. Why choose why choose us? All right, remember it's an advertisement company, right? So I'm going to have like something like this and then bring it somewhere down here. Reduce. So far so good. I've gotten all of this right. So the next we're going to do is to go to ChatGPT and get some points why they have to choose this particular company, right? So go to ChatGPT now. Okay, I come to ChatGPT and I type write 5 key points for a digital marketing business expert under why choose us. So ChatGPT gave me about 5 points and I need only 3 points out of this. Okay, so I'm going to pick the first one. I copy it this way, right? I'm going to copy it like this and then take it to my design. All right, so guys, let's go for one more shape. Going to come back to shape again. So you can see that we'll keep on going to shapes, right? Yeah, that's reduce it like this, bring it down here. All right, we're going to keep this one down here like this with alignment. Should it go beyond this line again? You are working out to come out well. So I come back to ChatGPT again and say write 5 key points for a digital marketing business what we offer. So I need like 3 points, but I just have to make sure I get 5. Then I select 3 out of the 5. Okay, that's what I want to do. So come over here, then I pick these ones and I'll go back to my design. Okay. All right, so what I will do now, come back to here and then I'm going to write go to your graphics, okay, and then I'm going to look for something like a symbols for planning, right? I'm going to do for planning and then take planning like this. Then I'll look for a symbol that go with planning, right? So I'm going to look for something like that and come back to you. All right, for example, let's use this, right? Let's pick just something like this and then reduce it, bring it down here. All right, I'm going to go for another one. I'll pick all of them and come back to you. So we've been able to get 3. This for planning, this for strategy, this for search engine optimization, right? So what I'm going to do is to come over here. I can use these headings, all right? Each of them going to carry an heading. So pick up this one, duplicate it, and then we'll turn it to black. Okay, turn that to black color. Yeah, so that it can fall within their space, right? So I will work on this. And then here, I'm going to say planning. Right. So I'm going for ChatGPT again, take the third part. The contact. Okay, we're going to put the contact, address, and the rest, and we are good to go. Follow me. All right, so there are 3 things we need inside here. We need our phone number, we need our address, and we need our email. So I'm going to go to element and then look for call. Just type the word call and then you're going to see an icon that will go with call, right? Like a phone call. Okay, so let's go to graphic and click on see all. Like this one. Can we pick something like this? Yeah, let's pick something like this. Then reduce it. Okay, see this? Turn it to white. Down, up and down. So guys, this is the final work so far. Okay, and I believe it's beautiful, right? This is actually beautiful. So what you can do, click on download. All right, after you have done all your cross checking, all right, you go to your, you can put it on. If it's something that you go to print later, you go to a PDF print. If they're not going to print it, let's use PDF print. Okay, if you click on PDF print and make sure you put what you click on crop bleeding and then flatten, and then you go to the printing out format. You go to CMYK. This is the best. All right, take CMYK for printing work. All right, and then click on download to print it if it is for printing. Then it is for digital marketing, I mean for Facebook and all of that stuff, right? You can go for PNG. All right, go for PNG and all of that. Okay, so that's what you do. Okay, guys, so this is how we're going to stop it for now. If you like what we have done so far, give us a thumb up, subscribe, like, and share with others people. Thank you and God bless you. This is the voice of Dr. Tam K, and I'm going to see you in our next class. The Worker Design class is here, right? And I'm going to be a blessing to you, and you're going to be a blessing to us. Make sure you like what we're doing. Thank you and God bless you. Bye for now.